Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about Thomson's model. After the discovery of electron, in fact, electron was discovered by Thomson because it was found that E by M ratio in cathode ray discharge tube experiment remains constant for any gas taken inside the discharge tube experiment. So that means it was considered as a negatively charged particle electron was found to be fundamental particle of every atom. That means the E by M ratio in cathode ray discharge tube experiment does not depend upon nature of gas. It is constant. So it is fundamental particle. That means electrons are present in an atom. Okay. So Thomson thought that the model of atom, the structure of atom should be like this. He has given a name raisin pudding model or plum pudding model or watermelon model. So you can imagine the atom is just like a watermelon. The negative part of the atom is just like seeds of watermelon. Okay, so watermelon, you have seen black colored seeds are there. So these are black colored seeds. We can think of this as black colored seeds. Okay, these are black colored seeds, and these black colored seeds are like electrons. So in watermelon, the black colored seeds are there. The black colored seeds are embedded inside the watermelon, and this is randomly distributed throughout the watermelon. Just like that, the structure of atom is raisin pudding model or watermelon model. So these seeds of watermelon is just like embedded electrons, and the remaining part of the atom is positive sphere. That time proton was not discovered. So remaining part is just like positive sphere, and these are the electrons. Okay. This model has two advantages. One is it is able to prove the electrical neutrality of atom. Electrical neutrality. Okay. That means atom as a whole is neutral. Why atom as a whole is neutral? That is proved here. That means total charge of electron, whatever electrons are there, total charge of electron, magnitude of total charge of electron is equal to total charge of positive sphere. Total charge of positive sphere. So that means atom as a whole is neutral. Total charge of plus and total charge minus are equal. So this is proved by Thomson. So second advantages of this model is when atom is excited, how it is excited? If you give high voltage of current at low pressure, atom is excited, electrons are ejected out. Just like in cathode ray discharge tube experiment. So these electrons are ejected out. Electrons will be coming out. So atom, suppose A is there, and it will give out electrons. Okay, it will be positive charge will be left, and these electrons will be coming out. Okay, so these electrons will be coming out when it is excited. So that's all for the model. But this model was soon discarded when Rutherford's alpha ray scattering experiment was discovered. When nucleus was discovered, very soon this model was rejected completely. Thank you.